Ano? Eh, parang gusto ko na dito ay sa drone.
Kaya nga. Hindi mamaya.
tayo na kanina is nagpo-workshop yung coaches namin. And may tatlong outstanding workshoppers na makakasama namin dito sa stage para sa UN.
Okay, for our next song, this is our last song. For our next song, so ito, feeling ko dito talaga sila kakanta kasi ang daming adlibs ng song na ito. Ito yung part ni Sheena na favorite ng lahat. About sa crush pa, so yung mga crush ko yung dinadala dito. Kantahin niyo to for them. Okay, ready na tayo, girls? Yeah! Let's go! Gumagalaw. Pag alam niyo itong kanta mo.
Yes, sing along with those moves.
Thank you so much, Globe, once again for having us tonight. Thank you to everyone who came. Thank you, our Bloom, for coming. grateful to be part of this experience with you. And thank you so much, Globe.
Yes, and sa mga nakasecure ng tickets, magkita-kita tayo sa concert. And meron pa tayong isang concert na magsasamahan sa ASEAN Music Fest. So kung sino man po nakabili ng tickets doon, makikita ulit namin kayo doon. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Salamat po. Salam namin yung iba sa inyo. Kanina umaga pa dito, yung iba wala pang kain. Maraming salamat po. And thank you for spending your day with us. Kahit na dapat nasa family nyo kayo, maraming salamat po. Again, we are B2-3!
Thank you po! Thank you, Globe!
Salamat po sa lahat po, mamaya.
Ingat po kayo, please.
Ingat po, mamaya. Thank you, Globe.
Thank you, Globe!
Salamat, Globe.
I love you all! We love you!
Ingat po.
Upo!
Isa pa lang daw, guys.
Upo!
Isa pa raw.
Isa pa?
Isa pa tayo. Huwag na tayo.
Go!
Lagi gusto na. Kailan po? Kailan. Wala pa rin music.
24 songs!
Okay. Ready? Okay, quiet. Kakantayin natin ang acapella dahil yes. This is for you! Okay. 5, 6, 7, go!
Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi nang napapasabi, mahal kita mula umaga, mukhang malala na hanggang gabi pauwi. At bago matulog nang mahindi, naiisip kita lagi-lagi. Lagi-lagi.
Thank you! Salamat, Bruce. I hope we made you happy. Again, we are... B2-3!
Thank you po! Ang loob misteryoso, ito'y mabasa. I'm Sheena.
Hey guys, it's Mika.
Hi, I'm Malay.
Happy G-Day, everyone, and thank you so much to Globe for having us to be a part of their family. And we hope that you guys enjoy. And always remember to stay safe. Make sure that you're not hurting anyone in the process. And mag-ingat lang po kayo. Thank you for having us and mag-enjoy po kayo.
Sobrang sweet naman ang boses ni Mika today.
Pag nagtatagalog kasi, minsan nagiging sweet.
Alam niyo, to be honest, hindi namin in-expect na ganito kalaki yung crowd. Kasi kanina nung soundcheck, di ba, parang nandito pa lang. Tapos, grabe, paglabas namin ng stage.
Alam nga siyang maka-close, di ba? Yung kanina,
Akala ko-
sobrang, oo. So, mga konti lang yung
Ang dami pa lang natin makaka-upload.
Yeah, but now, let's continue with our next song. For sure, most of you guys alam na to and alam namin per months na, pero we will bring you the heat! Ready na ba kayo? Okay, ready? Let's go! Let's go! Everyone, we all want you to clap your hands. Let's go! Clap! Hey! Clap! 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 Louder! Hey! 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 Now, come on. Let's sing with us, okay? Ikaw na lang sumasaya. Ako ay nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangamba. Feels like someone I'm with you. Can't wait to go back with you. Let's go! Tropical. One more! Go! The music magmula nakita ka, nawawala ng pangamba, pakikikapisan. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang isla
ako. And it feels like yesterday lang na kaka-release lang ng kantang to. And ang amazing lang kasi mag-1 year na, pero yung energy, yung nabigay niyo sa amin na energy until now, grabe pa rin. So, grabe, hindi kayo nauubusan ng energy, guys. And thank you so much for that.
Wow, wait lang, may nakita ako, Jo. It's me, Joanna! Sayang, di kita makapag-sample today. Malayo ka sa akin. Pero, ayan, upo daw yan. Sorry, very nice meeting you. Kamusta ba yung mga nasa likod? Wow! Nakikita niyo naman, ayan, may LED tayo. Meron ba dito manonood ng Grand Biniverse? Wow, ang dami nakasecure ng tickets. Grabe naman, 3 days tayo magsasama ulit. Excited na ba kayo? Naku, madaming pasabog. Madami talaga. We are currently working sa magiging, ano mo yun, Grand Biniverse natin. Pero, mag-focus muna tayo dito dahil our next song, kakalabas lang namin ng dance practice nito. Napanood nyo na ba? Yes. Alam nyo ba, fun fact lang, na sobrang laking opportunity nun sa amin dahil yung dance practice nito, we shot sa Steezy Studio sa LA. And yun, before kasi nakikidance class lang kami sa account ni Coach Matthew.
Shout out.
Shout out to you, Coach Matthew. Yes, pinagda-dance class niya kami doon kasi grabe, parang everyone's dream ang makatungtong sa Steezy Studio. And di ba, nakapag-shoot tayo ng dance practice natin. Ano kaya itong next song namin? May idea ba kayo?
Coconut Nut.
The Coconut Nut! Guys, hindi na agad sagot ka. So are you guys ready?
I think they're ready.
Yeah, so the energy is giving.
Yeah.
Come on, you can sing along with us and dance with us, pero walang tatayo, everyone. Let's go! Woo!
My presence is blessing. Talking French will keep you guessing. Know you got a little guinea crush. Be careful 'cause you never get enough. Every day celebrate you and me. Every day it's your birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want it sweet, sugar on top. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the candy better know what you got. Cherry on top, cherry on top. Let me repeat, get your breath around me. Sticky, sweet, nasty as it can be. Baby, I'm the candy better know what you got. Cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry, cherry, I'm so berry, but cotton candy. Fancy flower, tripping, jewel, oh, just so fancy. You can deny, no, you can deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Sorry, eyes, one look at your bubble eyes. Dancing in the disco lights, I do this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, I twirl, not your average girl. Got you clutching the pearls, 'cause you know who run the world. Every day, celebrate you and me. Every day, it's your birthday on Ako na sa kaya